Surprise, motherfucker.
2017, you guys. This is Sheba. I wrote her in today because I'm telling you she's a better person.
How do I relax? Well, like many other Americans, I come home and I pet my dog. You see, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. My two kitty cats, Muffin. Oh! This nigga just hit me in my...
Don't be fucking rude. Don't be rude. Oh, Brandon. Okay.
Bless
You're gonna
you.
sneeze on me. Okay.
Stupid ass hallway by myself, and then now he's gonna be running up and down the hallways, and I gotta wrangle him, make sure he doesn't wake anybody up. And you know, but what do dogs see that we don't that make them do that? You know, it's creepy.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Okay, hey.